The other question that Val asked was about setting preferences. And this has been probably the most confusing thing. And I've tried over time to make it more well, let me just go back to what I did. I did it very quickly. So my home page, and you as the parent are the one who's going to change preferences. So you click change preferences on what do you want to do today. And this is going to take you to a page where you can make some changes. Okay, so very confusing. Some videos here. At its base, all you want to do is you're gonna choose between um, for you and your students. Do you want for you and your students? Do you want um, to be open so that everybody who's in the academy can connect with them and see their information? Information, I mean first name, last name, etc. Or do you want that to only be available to specific people on your list? My recommendation is to start with everybody, and then you can change that. Um, and again, this is a little confusing, but Val's question specifically was how to show up so that it only shows the last name in the directory. And I don't really remember the answer to that, Val. Um, you're listed on the directory. I suppose that the way you would do that is you say on show permissions, show name to, and you would say show name to only. And that way it's only going to be shown to the people who are on your friend list. And if you do that, um, and I click Save Preferences, this will be a little hard for you to see because I'm in here. But it says click here to use these preferences as a template for all your students. So that way you can, if you make changes for yourself, then it can be available for everybody. So if I do that, and it says uncheck any profiles whose students should not be updated based on the selected template. So in theory, I'll have to double check to see whether this works, but in theory, now if I go to the family list, then the O'Learys right here would only show up for other people who are on my only list. Um, Now, I'm not entirely sure. I'd have to go in and double check on that. But like right here, the K family, the B family, that does work that way. So I believe it only shows your name to people who are on your list. So if you want to make those changes, you can do that. Um, I'm going to modify this. I mean, it's not even modified. Only the people who are registered in the academy can see the family list, or that's the way it should be working. So hopefully that will make it a little bit more, you'll be a little bit more comfortable with sharing your information. But again, if you don't want to, you can do that. I don't have it. I don't believe I have it where you can say first, or you can show your last name, but show your last name as T, but don't show your first name. Um, but just let me know if that's a priority, and I will work on it as well. Okay. Mr. O'Leary, will the CSS class offer instruction video and assignments like the HTML class? We do not see that as of yet, but perhaps it's coming soon. Yes, all the CSS classes have um, lessons and videos, instruction. I'm not sure whether you're just not whether you're seeing it from here, but if I go into the class, um, then each of the lessons have videos and assignments, and the same type of thing that we've had in HTML 101.